That's it, friend.
Hey guys, how are you today? In this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to generate a YouTube subscribe button from Google developers. First, what we can do is go to developers.google.com, and then from here, there is a search button. You can search YouTube subscribe button, click it. From this page they telling you how to generate it. As you can see, there is an output that you can make from these tools. So what you can do is click the configure a button. From here you can copy your channel name or channel ID and paste it to the channel name or ID here. As you can see, there is a preview. You can customize the layout with the full or default. You can change the theme, and you can show the subscriber count or hidden it. Then from here you can copy the code and you can embed the script into your website or blog or something that you want. Okay, that's so simple like that. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you want to subscribe my YouTube channel and support me by watching my other video. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.
That's it, friend.